If you're searching for the best web hosting, this video will save you a lot of time. After testing and comparing the most popular hosting providers, my top recommendation is Bluehost. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and officially recommended by WordPress. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get a special discount, so make sure to stick around. So why Bluehost? First, it's incredibly easy to get started. You can launch your website in just minutes with their one-click WordPress installation. They also include a free domain name for the first year, free SSL certificates for security, and user-friendly tools that even complete beginners can understand. This makes Bluehost perfect for blogs, business sites, or even small online stores. When it comes to performance, Bluehost consistently delivers. They offer fast loading speeds, reliable uptime, and unmetered bandwidth. That means your site stays online and can handle traffic without slowing down. On top of that, their customer support is available 24/7. Whether you're stuck setting something up or need help troubleshooting, you'll always have someone to talk to. Pricing is another reason Bluehost stands out. It's already one of the most budget-friendly providers, but with the right coupon code, you can bring the cost down even more. Depending on the plan, you can get started for just a few dollars a month, which is incredible value considering all the features included. And here's the good news. You don't have to pay full price. I've left a link in the pinned comment below where you can grab the latest verified Bluehost discount. Just click through and the coupon code will be applied automatically at checkout. So if you're ready to start your website in 2025, Bluehost is my #1 pick. It's reliable, easy to use, and with the discount link, it's more affordable than ever. If this video helped you out, be sure to like it. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts on Bluehost and subscribe for more tips on hosting and building your website.